On 20th of January 2023, our client Miss Premila Savla was suffering from diabetes. As you can see in the blood report, her HbA1c levels were 13.8%, which shows an average of 3 months sugar levels. And her average 3 months sugar levels in numbers are 349.36 mg per deciliter. After starting our program on 1st February 2023 and till date, which is 2nd June 2023, you can see that her HbA1c levels have come down from 13.8% to 7%, and her 3 months average sugar levels in numbers came down to 154 mg per deciliter from 349 mg per deciliter. So that is the power of following a good diet and lifestyle. So in case you want to reverse diabetes, you can contact us and we will help you get your blood glucose levels down to normal and stop medicines completely. Thank you.